friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Professor Sachin Kaya. Before start this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for various interesting content. Thank you. Let me start our topic, Theoretical Discrete Probability Distribution Part 2, Poisson Distribution. In this video, we are going to see definition of a Poisson distribution, properties of a Poisson distribution, example of a Poisson distribution, fitting of a Poisson distribution, and application of a Poisson distribution. We'll start with the Poisson distribution definition. Poisson distribution is used in a situation where the probability of a success is very small, that p tends to the 0, and number of a trial indefinitely large, that is n tends to infinite. Let me consider a parameter of a Poisson distribution which is a positive real number, and the value of that m is n dot p. So in such cases we are using a Poisson distribution. So definition become a discrete random variable x taking value 0, 1, 2 up to n is said to follow Poisson distribution with a parameter m, and it is given by this formula: p is equal to r is equal to e raised to minus m raised to r divided by r factorial, where value of r is a 0, 1, 2 up to n, where we know that m is a parameter of a Poisson distribution and r is the last sentence of that example or last sentence of that problem. So we'll see the property of a Poisson distribution. As a mean of a Poisson distribution is m is equal to n dot p. It's again a parameter of a Poisson distribution. Variance of Poisson distribution is also same as a parameter of a Poisson distribution. So we can say that mean and variance of a Poisson distribution are equal, and the value of that mean and variance is parameter of a distribution. Standard deviation is always under root of a variance, and coefficient of a skewness is 1 by under root of a parameter of Poisson distribution. Okay, let's see the example of a Poisson distribution. If 2% of electric bulb manufactured by company are defective, find the probability that in a sample of 100 bulbs, 3 are defective, at least 2 are defective. So in such case, we are given 2% bulb are defective. That is, they given a value of a p 2%, 0.02, and samples are 100. That's why n is equal to 100. So here we can see value of a p is a very small and value of a n is very high. That's why we apply Poisson distribution here. So here is a Poisson distribution formula: e raised to minus m raised to r divided by r factorial. So we just put down the value of m, r in this formula. Value of m is calculated n dot p, that is 100 multiplied by 0.02 is equal to 2. In the first case, there are 3 bulbs are defective. So the value of r is a 3 here. We just put down over here and we get the value. Answer: probability that 3 bulbs are defective among 100 bulbs is a 0.1804. In the second case, at least 2 bulbs are defective, means R value is a 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 100. As we know that total probability is a 1, so we can write the equation: probability x greater than or equal to 2 is equal to probability of x is equal to 2 plus probability of x is equal to 3, and so on. So we can rearrange this equation in this way: probability of x greater than or equal to 2 is equal to total probability 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1. Here value of r is equal to 0 and value of r is equal to 1. We just put down in an equation of a Poisson distribution, and we get probability that at least 2 bulbs are defective is 0.541. So we'll see the next point, the fitting of a Poisson distribution. To fitting of a distribution to a given data, we have to calculate 3 things. The first thing is estimation of the parameter of distribution. Second, computing the probabilities, and computing the expected frequency. To know the fitting of a Poisson distribution, we have to follow following procedure. First, find mean x is equal to summation f multiplied by x divided by summation of f. Then we calculate Poisson parameter, that is m. Then we calculate a Poisson distribution function by using Poisson distribution formula e raised to minus m raised to r divided by r factorial, where r value is a 0, 1, 2 up to n. 4. Put this r is equal to 0 for calculation of a p of 0. This p of 0 is required for next equation. Then find the expected frequency, that is f of 0 is equal to n multiplied by p of 0. This p of 0 is calculated here. Then last, other expected frequencies can be found by using this formula. F in bracket r plus 1 is equal to m divided by r plus 1 multiplied by f of r. So we'll see that one example on fitting of Poisson distribution. So there is an example, mistake per page were observed in a book. There are 4 mistakes, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Start with a 0. And number of pages are 2, 11, 90, 19, 5 and 0 respectively. So first of all we calculate the f and f dot x. So f is the given, f dot x is a x multiplied by f. So 0 multiplied by 211 is equal to 0, 1 multiplied by 90 is equal to 90 and so on. So addition of these is a 325 and addition of these is a 140. So we going to calculate a fitting of a Poisson distribution. First, mean, that is summation of f of x, that is 143 divided by 325 is equal to 0.44. So Poisson distribution parameter m is equal to mean, that is 0.44. Next, by using Poisson distribution formula, we can calculate e raised to minus m raised to r divided by r factorial. In this formula, we just put r is equal to 0 to calculate p of 0. The p of 0 value will be 0.6440. This value we are going to use the Poisson table for calculation of this formula, this value. And f of 0, that expected frequency, is calculated n multiplied by p of 0. N value is a 325 multiplied by p of 0. So in that case, we calculated first frequency f of 0. Similarly, we go for a next frequency f of 1 by using this formula. We just put down the p f of 0 in here and calculate f of 1. Similarly, f of 2, f of 3, f of 4 is calculated. So in this table, we seen the observed frequency they given and expected frequency we calculated, that is 210, 92, 23. Overall addition is a same. So we can see that there is a fitting of a data. Next and last part of this video is application of a Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is used in to find number of defective items found in a large size of lot. To find a number of deaths due to the snake bite in a certain village is, to calculate this we can use a Poisson distribution. To know the number of persons affected due to the radiation. To know arrival pattern of a defective vehicle, patient in a hospital or a telephone calls. And the last, in biology, to count the number of bacteria, we use a Poisson distribution. So in this way we learn Poisson distribution. To encourage for new content, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.